Hey there, Odoo users. Ever feel like you're in a constant battle with your own data? Well, in this quick explainer, we're going to show you how to finally take back control and make that data your most powerful ally. You know that feeling, right? You're staring at your Odoo screen and you know the info you need is in there somewhere, but getting a clear, focused view without all the extra noise and clutter, it can be a real headache. Okay, let's break it down. On one side, you've got the standard Odoo view. It's fine, but it can be really rigid and cluttered. But on the other side, whoa, it's flexible, it's clean, and you, the user, are in complete control. That's the huge difference we're talking about here. So let's talk about that Odoo List View challenge. Look, Odoo is an amazing tool, but let's be honest, working with data day-to-day can sometimes feel, well, a little restrictive. And it's these little frustrations that just build up over the day, right? You've got all these irrelevant columns just cluttering up your screen. You want to reorder things to match your workflow, but you can't. And if you want to hide a field or add a new one, forget it. You got to call a developer. It just makes it so hard to focus on what actually matters. But what if there was a much smarter way to work? Well, there is. Let me introduce you to the Advanced List View module for Odoo. This is the solution we've all been waiting for. This one sentence just says it all, doesn't it? Transform standard list views into a fully dynamic workspace. We're not talking about a small change here. We're talking about a complete transformation. It goes from a static report to a living, breathing workspace that molds itself to you. And this is where the magic really happens. We're talking about total control, right at your fingertips. It's your view, your rules, and you see the changes instantly. Just picture this, for example. You see a column you don't need, one click, and poof, it's gone. Need to bring in a different field? Click, it's there. Want to drag your most important data to the front? Just drag it and drop it. It's that easy. No code, no waiting, just you and your data. And that brings us to the real game changer, real-time updates. What does that mean? It means there's no lag, no annoying page reloads that break your focus. You make a change, and you see it instantly. It's a totally seamless workflow that just flows. Okay, so having all this control is awesome, but it's all for a bigger reason, to make you faster. The whole point is to accelerate your workflow so you can find what you need and get back to business. So how do we boost your efficiency? First, there's a smart search. No more endless scrolling to find a field. Just type and it's there. You can search by the regular name or even the technical name if you're a power user. Oh, and this is cool. You can mark your go-to fields as favorites for one-click access. Plus, you can even search for data inside each column directly. It's a huge time saver. You know, we all have our own way of working, and your screen should reflect that. That's why we've included different themes. You've got your default, a nice classic look, a dark mode that's way easier on the eyes for those late nights, and even a super efficient split view so you can see your active and available fields all at once. And believe it or not, that's just scratching the surface. We've packed over 29 powerful features into this one module, and every single one was designed with you, the functional user, in mind. Now, a great tool is only great if it actually works where you need it to, right? Well, don't worry, this module is built to integrate seamlessly right into your existing Odoo setup, no matter what you're running. So, whether you're working in sales, inventory, accounting, you name it, it just works. Got a complex multi-company or multi-branch setup? No problem, it's fully supported. It even tames those tricky nested list views, the lists inside of other forms. And maybe the best part of all, your custom views are yours. You can change whatever you want, and it won't mess with anyone else's screen. It's your own personal workspace. And there's even more power with zero hassle. Once you've set up that perfect view, one click, and you can export exactly what you see straight to Excel. Get a little carried away with your changes? Just hit Reset to Default, and you're back to the standard view. And for all you keyboard ninjas out there, it's super friendly. Use shortcuts like Escape to close things out and work even faster. But let's get to the best part of all of this. Ready? You need absolutely zero technical knowledge to do any of this. I mean it. This isn't for developers. This power is for everyone. You can do it all yourself, right from the screen. So if you're ready to stop fighting with your data and start making it your #1 asset, well, it's time to take the next step. Curious to see this in action? Or maybe you have some questions about how it could fit your business. We would absolutely love to show you a live demo or just chat about your needs. Please feel free to get in touch. It's super easy to connect. You can shoot us an email at contact@synconics.com. You can send a WhatsApp message or just give us a call at +91 94268 64274. Or if you're on Microsoft Teams, just look us up, synconics.technologies. So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What could your team truly achieve if everyone had a crystal clear, super efficient view of their data every single day? Just imagine the possibilities. Thanks so much for your time.